The next-generation Tesla Roadster is expected to surpass the Model S Plaid and become Tesla's flagship performance car. Elon Musk has emphasized that the Roadster will be faster and more powerful than the Plaid, with improvements in torque and maximum RPM, making it a true high-performance supercar. A standout feature of the new Roadster is the optional SpaceX package, which includes cold air thrusters around the car to enhance top speed, braking, and cornering. Tesla and SpaceX engineers are working on making this technology safe and effective, balancing weight distribution and downforce to ensure the system functions properly on a road-legal vehicle. Inside, the Roadster will feature a futuristic, minimalist cabin typical of Tesla, with carbon fiber trim, a spaceship-style steering yoke, and a large portrait touchscreen. Tesla plans to offer the car in both 2- and 4-seat configurations, with a removable glass roof and a unique door mechanism that combines manual and electronic release. The Roadster is expected to deliver extremely high performance, with a claimed wheel torque of 7,376 pounds-feet, 10,000 Newton-meters, and a top speed of over 250 miles per hour, 402 kilometers per hour. It will use an all-wheel drive setup with 3 electric motors and advanced torque vectoring, making it one of the fastest electric sports cars once it hits production. Tesla plans to equip the Roadster with the new 4680 battery cells, with a prototype featuring a 200 kilowatt-hour battery that supports 350 kilowatt fast charging and offers an estimated range of 620 miles, 997 kilometers. This would make it the longest-range production E-Fi, though fitting such a large battery into a compact sports car remains a significant engineering challenge. The Roadster may also be Tesla's first model to feature wireless charging, allowing owners to simply park over a charging pad in their garage for automatic charging. In addition, full self-driving, FSD, is expected to be offered as an optional feature, while basic autopilot is no longer available in new Tesla models. Pricing was initially set between $200,000 and $250,000, but Tesla has removed pricing from its website, suggesting a potential price increase before launch. Reservations require a $50,000 deposit, with a small initial payment followed by a larger wire transfer. Tesla plans to reveal the Roadster on April 1, 2026, with production expected to begin in 2027. The final design is said to be significantly different from the 2017 concept, and Tesla describes the Roadster as a limited-run halo car that will serve as a brand-defining innovation platform rather than a major sales volume model. The Roadster will face indirect competition from other high-performance electric sports cars, including the Maserati Gran Turismo Folgore, Polestar 6, and Chevrolet Corvette Electric, among others. Overall, Tesla positions the Roadster as an extreme and groundbreaking vehicle that aims to push the limits of speed, technology, and design. If you're a Tesla fan or a supercar enthusiast, this video is a must-see. Subscribe now to stay up to date with the latest car news and updates.